We'll start with simple exercises to release your hips and lay the foundation for the hip work and steps coordination, crucial for belly dance. Next, we'll be introducing classic belly dance moves as we dance, building on each step by weaving it into graceful and easy-to-remember combinations you can perform on a club dance floor, at a party, or at home as a fitness routine. Our program consists of 48 2 to 3 minute segments. These are small bites, easy to review and meticulously chaptered, so if you need more practice, you can skip back to any point in the program and repeat each segment as many times as needed. On-screen graphics clarify the trajectories of belly dance moves, such as circles, semicircles, and figure eights. Once you understand the mechanics of each step, it's all about having fun practicing it and enjoying the amazing curvy